Hi, today I'm going to show you how to actually set your Windows 11 or Windows 10 from Microsoft account with email address because I have just installed Windows 11. It's using my email address to log in to my Windows 11. I'm going to change it from Microsoft account to a local account. So let's get started. Before I start, right, do click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Thanks. Okay, let's go to your Windows. Click on the settings button. Click on the settings button. Click on accounts. Accounts. See that I'm actually in Microsoft account with my email address. So I need you to click on your info, and then under the account settings, Microsoft account, change it to sign in with a local account instead. Okay, there's a problem. Are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Windows looks better. When you sign with Microsoft, some personal settings are switching to a local account means you won't be able to see your personal settings of your devices. Ask to sign in again. I don't want that. I will just click continue. I still want a local account. Click next. It'll prompt you for your password. Okay. Next. Maybe I paid. Is it Windows password or my Microsoft password? Let me try. Just how it is. Okay, it's actually your Microsoft password. So your local account, I'm going to stick to Janice. My password. Okay, click next. This is a point view. I just put it like that. They say, oh, I finish. Okay, I finish sign out and then it sign back in to the local account. Let me just show you that it's now a local account to settings. Okay, you didn't see the email address anymore. You go to click on accounts. It's now local account. No more Microsoft account. Okay, no more showing the email address. You see, click on your info. It's now a local account, not into a Microsoft account. Okay, that's it. That's how to actually set your Windows laptop to a local account instead of using a Microsoft account with your email address. If you find this useful, right, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to share with others as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.